Okay, back over 20 years ago, I had this cardboard standy of the B9 robot, and I thought it'd be cool to do closet I could actually use to hang coats and hats and things on. I've had umbrellas on there and mostly hats to hang on there, so robot claw coat hooks. And it also gave a purpose to the standy to exist. Of course, back over 20 years ago, there weren't the home 3D printers, so those are all cast in resin. So now we've got our Robby glove that we can 3D print, so why not 3D print a wrist piece which you can screw to the wall. And again, of course, you could stick a hat on there, or you could stick a jacket on there. I can't really get far enough back to get everything in. This opening airlock room that we're in right now is rather small, but it's just an airlock to keep bugs and dirt out. And basically, single screw, I don't know, it's awful dark in there. I guess you can't see anything here. Let me see if I can turn this light on. How's that? There we go. Now you can see there's multiple screw holes that a person could screw it into the wall, hit a stud, whatever, and then insert the hand. And if need be, you could drill a hole and put a screw up through the bottom to hold the hand in place. You wouldn't want to glue the hand, or you wouldn't be able to get back in there to remove the screws if you ever wanted to change it. And since I printed this on the Prusa printer, it's printed in two pieces. That's why you can see that right in the middle, the top half's gray and the bottom half's that pink color, because it's two pieces glued together. Files will be up on Thingiverse. If you've got a big enough printer, I suggest printing it as one piece. And then you don't have to glue and fill and sand. And if you print it as one piece, you would probably have to do some sort of support material here. But when you print it as two, I didn't do any support material. And the only places I had high points were here and here. So just a little bit of sanding, and then everything fit back in just fine. So, Robby coat hooks, hat rack, coat rack. I don't know what you want to call them, but anyway, I've gotten a lot of use out of these over the last 20 plus years, and so I figured, why not do this. This isn't going to reside here. Actually, I had to take this Altoids picture of the B9 robot down to stick that there, but you get the idea.